Hey guys, welcome back to Battle Cats. Today I'm again gonna progress in Cats of the Cosmos. Today I will start with Egg Nebula, where I can use only cats, which costs 4,000 or less. I don't know how far will I be able to get in today's video, but I'll just progress. I'll see how it goes. Hey you. Yes, I'm talking to you. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. It's worth it. I think I deserve it, right? Over 60 episodes of Battle Cats. I made a lot of work with that, so you should like and subscribe. Egg Nebula was easily cleared. So now we have Calabash Nebula. Same restrictions. So there we go. Calabash Nebula also cleared really easily. Now we arrived at Altair. Here is the maximum amount of deployable cats, 20. So yeah, I'll just see how it goes. Oh god. I don't like this. I don't know how hard this anime is, but yeah, we'll just see, I guess. Pretty much, yeah. I can deploy only 20 cats, so I gotta keep that in mind. But as you can see, the elephant has attacked, and it had not killed the artist yet. Okay, it has right now. What is going on? It's not dying. It's not dying, not at all. Come on, you can do it, boys. Can you do it? Right, I believe in you. Oh god. Okay, Bahamut. Why can't you defeat it? What's wrong? What's wrong? Man? I think I know what's wrong. This guy has too strong barrier to be broken without a barrier breaker. Oh god. I messed up. I don't have any barrier breakers in this loadout. I kinda underestimated barrier breaking, so I guess I'm not able to pass this level. How did that happen? What? How did I manage to break the barrier? I'm super confused. I think that no. Guys, I need you to tell me how the barriers exactly work, because I don't get it, but never mind. Altair was cleared. And now it's time to get serious. So let me visit Sirius. Yeah. I'm super confused about the barriers, but never mind. I thought that the barrier has some amount of HP, and if you don't deal that much damage to destroy the barrier immediately, like in 1 second, I think it's unbreakable until you have a barrier breaker, right? But I don't know. Oh god. Oh god! Of course. Start Alien Ass Licker. Look at him. Oh god, super spicy tongue. Just gonna lick your ass with it. I hate it. But it seems like he's not that strong. He isn't even able to kill the manic walls. Shouldn't be a big deal. Okay, Mighty Lord Gao. Easily dealing with it, okay? Also, the alien rhino just died super easily. Come on, just destroy the level already. This is getting boring. The S-Leaker was about that serious that he had to seriously die on serious. Destroyed. Love that, okay? Still the same restrictions on Canopus, and Canopus is getting smashed. Boom, nice. So, what's in Vega? Oh, I can use only 5 cats. Those are the 5 cats I'm gonna use. It's Manic Eraser, Raymond, Cipher, Awakened Bahamut, and Mighty Lord Gao. As I told you in previous video, I boosted Mighty Lord Gao to level 40, so he should be super good, and I feel like he is, so I'm using him like non-stop, and it seems like it was worth it boosting him. Oh god, the Black Doge is super weak. What the hell is that? Let me just send the artists and Cipher to help to kill those peons. Beautiful. Just Mighty Lord Gao, let's go. Start sending the Manic Wall. And as soon as I have enough money, I will send the Awakened Bahamut if needed. So that's about Vega. I don't know what's in here. Okay, Black Kangaroos. Not a problem, right? Not a problem. Awakened Bahamut. Smash them. That's it. That's it. Boom. And boom. Wow. They died much quicker than I expected. Vega also cleared. Aldebaran. Wow. Same restrictions as in Vega. I'm recording just for 12 minutes and I've cleared a lot of levels already. Beautiful, isn't it? Oh, Red Snake. One of the most annoying enemies in the game, I think. He's super annoying. That's just my opinion, okay? But, yeah, I think he's super annoying. Because he can deal pretty big amount of damage, especially when he's boosted. And he can just cause you some problems if he just wants to. Alright. Cipher doing his job. Beautiful. Kill the alien Doge. I said kill the alien Doge. Okay, it's frozen at least. There are a few Doges. Okay. The seal died. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Mighty Lord Gao is already in there doing his job. The Ciphers are kinda nice. Everything is dying. I'm just getting my way to the base. So nice to watch those levels getting destroyed by my cat army. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I will save the Awakened Bahamut for later if it's needed or not, because I don't know if there is some boss in this base hiding and waiting for me, and if yes, I'll just send the Awakened Bahamut to destroy him, but there is nothing. Alright, that was about Aldebaran, pretty easy. So now we are in Battle Gauss, okay. Still one row. I still have to work with 5 cats. Okay. Angel Hippo. Artist. I mean Raymond, but you know what I mean. I'm still used to call it his second form, because yeah, it's just much more memorable than Raymond. Alright. It seems like this is an angel level. I don't know. So what's in here? Oh. Alright. This seems super easy. This seems super easy. Only the Raymonds were almost able to solo this level. Mighty Lord Gao and boom. This was huge. This was huge, oh boy. Oh boy. You have no chance. You have no chance. There we go. Battle Gauss destroyed. In Deneb, there are no restrictions. Wow. Let me just try it. Why not? Let me see, how about that level? Huh. I kinda like the base design. I really do. Alright, there is this. There is this. You guys told me his name, but I've already forgotten. Don't care. I'll just call it Annoying Mouse. Haha. Alright. You can just remind me his name, but I think I still won't really remember, because yeah, it's just mice. Look at it. They seem pretty cute, but if they're boosted they can be super dangerous. They attack fast and they can deal pretty high amount of damage. So you should never underestimate them, alright? It seems like I'm easily pushing to the base. However, I feel like there is something in it. Oh, what is that? It start alien mole? Oh god, I see. What about that? Wow. That is interesting. I haven't seen this before. But it seems like only seafarers are pretty much able to deal with it, so there shouldn't be a big problem, right? Destroy the Gary, destroy the mole, destroy everything. Boom, the mole is dead. Okay. Still not a problem, alright? I'm totally destroying those levels. Just what the hell is that? It seems like this whole chapter is a huge joke. Here I can use on a special rare and super rare. Oh my god. I don't like this. I don't like this because yeah, I just don't. So let me try to visit Cosmic Lounge. I'm pretty scared of it, to be honest. And I feel like I have few reasons to be scared. Because my manic gets are on a level 20. I don't have a high user rank to upgrade them to level 30 or over. And so they're much weaker than on level 30, obviously. And also I can just I just can't have any uber rares. That's what is stressing me a little bit. But it seems like it's not that big deal. So I should be fine, right? I should be fine, look at it. The peons are getting smashed. Alright, this is actually pretty beautiful. Just look at it. Look at it, guys. They have no chance. They have no chance. Boom. Already hitting to the base, and this is over. Cosmic Lounge also cleared. Nice. Citer's Star. The same restrictions, of course. So let me try it. Alright. Citer's Star. Oh, ha ha ha. I have something for you here. Boom. I like that. I like how the fishman can just one-shot so many floating stuff. The cat is pretty broken. And also it can be used to cheese some stages, so yeah, it's just so good. Fishman. Come on, hit it. Oh, almost. Barely made it, bro. Just hit him. Huh? Will you? Oh god. They're also dealing with the alien head, but once these third aliens come, they have no chance. So, yeah, Cyberpunk, Cipher, Cameraman, Manning Macho, why not? And yeah, let me just go through the site and star level. Should be pretty easy overall. Another butterfly is coming. That's a lot of free money, right? So it should be okay. Everything is alright. Look at it. Look at it. The alien face? Boom, not anymore. What alien face are you talking about? I don't know. What base are you talking about? I don't know. Because there is not anymore in just 2 seconds. It's because Scyther's star was destroyed. Kaio. Kaio. Ka. Stop it. Okay? Stop it. Oh boy, not you anymore. God damn it. And the mole, of course. Of course. Why not? What am I gonna do with this? I have no idea. God, what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? I don't know. I don't know. What? What is that? Huh? Come on, man. Come on, man. Sir? No, you don't. Don't you even dare. Don't you even dare to touch my base. And just don't you even dare anything, alright? Anything. Elephant, stop it. Stop it. Okay? We'll talk about it later, but now stop it. Boy. I need something different. I need something that will... Okay, they're heading to my base. I'm gone. Okay. Okay, fine. That's alright. I can handle it. Oh. Just destroy me already, please. It just takes so long time. Come on. Okay, so Kaio finally destroyed me. I have something that might be able to help. And that something is called the second form of Fencer Cat, which is Kendo Cat. It is 100% chance of breaking barriers. Sounds kinda nice, doesn't it? Alright, so let me just put it in there. And let me totally smash the Kaio level with it. Not a single chance against Kendo Cat. Okay. Let me see. Let me see, boy. Oh, he got warped. Or warped, I don't know. Come on. Come on. Destroy them. Destroy them, Kendo. Kendo! What you doing, huh? Will you already destroy it? What just happened? They disappeared or what? I don't get it. What is going on? Just... Huh? Can anybody tell me? What is going on? Why didn't the kendo get work at all? Come on. I know you can do it. I don't have money. I don't have anything. Just what's wrong? Alright, kendo? If you attack, why don't you destroy it? Oh wow, the elephant died, so it somehow worked. I don't know how, but it worked, so yeah, I guess it doesn't matter. KO is getting destroyed finally. Wow. I'm still confused about the barriers. I don't know, guys. I don't know anything about it. Alright. You just gotta tell me, I think. Tell me in the comments, or I will watch some video on YouTube. And some other YouTuber will tell me how it worked. Because I'm just confused, man. I don't know. So, KO is finally getting destroyed. Nice. Magellanik. Alright. Oh. Only 1200 or less? I think that's the topic for the next video. So, I really thank you guys for watching this. I'm really glad you made it that far, and I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and like as I told you in the beginning, and see you later.